favorites.
To tell us more, we're joined by Tiffany Latino. Good morning.
Hi, guys.
Hi, good morning.
So Tina loves this place. You guys just recently moved, she told me.
We did. So we just moved to our new location here in Roseville.
Okay, Tiff, you said there's 4 generations. Introduce everybody to our viewers.
Yes, so this is my mom, Sharon, and this is my daughter, Brianna, and my granddaughter, Kylie. So I've got a lot of people lined up to take over for me someday.
Oh, very nice. Okay, so am I a longtime customer?
Yes, you are.
Okay, because, you know, I have the cockatiels and all the finches and parakeets over the years, but now I'm down to 1 cockatiel. But you guys just moved, and you had a big grand opening last week, but you've been there for just a little while, and I'm sad to see you not there on Auburn Boulevard anymore. You're in Roseville now, right?
Yes, we are. So we're on Foothills Boulevard and Junction.
Take us on a little tour. What you got in the store?
Okay. So right now you're looking at Trouble, our store mascot. He's 37 years old, and we've had him since he was a baby.
Whoa, he's looking good for 37.
He's looking a little camera shy right now.
Yeah.
So we've got lots of little baby conures right now. This time of year we have a lot of baby conures. So these are all different types of green cheeks.
Okay, what else?
We got lots and lots of bird toys like we had at the other store. So we're like Birdie Toys R Us here. Lots and lots of toys, lots of food. So we have our bulk bins so you can pick whatever you want. A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
For someone who wants a bird for their first time, let's say a mom comes in or dad comes in, wants to get a bird for their kid, what do you suggest?
Well, I always like parakeets or cockatiels to be a kid's first pet. So cockatiels, little hand-fed cockatiels are really a lot of fun. We don't have any right now because they're so popular we run out of them immediately. So
what's the going
price? We're raising lots of babies right now.
Okay.
Cockatiel. So for a tame parakeet, you're looking at about $40, and for hand-fed cockatiels, they're about $100 to $120. So that's for a nice tame one that you can hold and play with.
Tiffany, do you have any babies you said that you can show us?
Oh, I do. We brought a little baby African gray to show you today.
Ooh. Okay. Let's see them. Here we go.
Tiny.
Oh, how old?
Oh, this one is about 2 weeks old.
Oh,
maybe 3.
At what age can you adopt them?
So they're about 3 months old when they're ready to go to a new home. So that's when they can eat on their own.
Okay.
Oh, so you raise them yourself until they're 3 months old?
We do. So we take them out of the nest when they're little babies, and then we have to be their mother.
Oh, so cute. Now remember,
Yes.
anyone who wants to get a parrot, they do live a long time, so you got to be invested and committed. I will say that. All right.
Absolutely. It's a lifetime pet.
Bye, Trouble. Bye, Tiffany and family. Thank you. There's our new location, the address there. Foothills Boulevard, I believe in the same complex as California Family Fitness.
Yep.